Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Me Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a border for on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and we just quickly move on to the video. So how to create border on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, I'm just going to show. For an example, first of all, I'm just going to insert some shape here. So we just randomly inserting a shape here. So I just need to have a border around this. So go to the home section. First of all, select the cell that you just want to create a border. Now you just need to click on this section called all borders. Click on this arrow section here in border. You just need to select the outside borders. Click this, so which will create a border. You can see it's created a border line. So you can also select it, and if you just need to have a thick border, so you can just use thicker border. So it look like this. And also in the same time, you can just choose the border color and stays on the here. So this is how you just create a borders like this. So it's actually simple and easy to create a borders on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Me Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.